Turning 65 in the United States is supposed to be a massive financial milestone. It is the moment you finally step off the corporate treadmill and begin to enjoy the retirement you spent 4 decades paying for. But the exact moment you cross that age threshold, a silent, highly coordinated financial drain continues to siphon money directly out of your pockets. And the most infuriating part is not that you owe this money. It is that you explicitly do not owe it anymore, yet the institutions collecting it will absolutely never say a word. The Internal Revenue Service, your trusted local bank, and your own county clerk's office are quietly hiding 3 specific, legally protected financial exemptions that trigger the moment you turn 65. They rely entirely on your silence and your routine to keep their massive revenues high. Every single month, millions of hardworking American retirees are unknowingly paying federal taxes they are legally exempt from, monthly banking fees they can waive with a single phone call, and thousands of dollars in local property taxes that should have been permanently frozen. In this urgent financial briefing, we are going to walk step by step through the 3 silent dangers threatening your fixed income. I will expose exactly how to claim your hidden standard deduction at the IRS, how to legally force your bank to drop their maintenance fees, and how to trigger your state's senior property tax exemption. But stopping the financial bleeding is only step 1. Once we recover this stolen wealth, I am going to give you 5 clean, highly secure solutions for exactly where to park this money. Because leaving your hard-earned cash sitting in a low-interest checking account while inflation quietly rages is absolute financial suicide. Let us begin by exposing the massive secret hidden deep inside the federal tax code and what your accountant might have missed. We start with the absolute largest financial institution in the country, the Internal Revenue Service. The IRS is completely ruthless when it comes to collecting what you owe, but they are not in the business of tapping you on the shoulder to remind you to pay less. When you file your taxes every year, you are generally faced with 2 choices. You can either itemize your deductions, or you can take the standard deduction. For the vast majority of retirees on a fixed income, taking the standard deduction is the mathematically correct choice. But here is the massive blind spot that costs American seniors millions of dollars every single year. The exact year you turn 65, the federal government legally grants you an additional standard deduction. This is not an obscure, complicated loophole. It is written directly into the foundational tax code. Depending on whether you file as single or married, this extra deduction legally shields thousands of additional dollars of your retirement income from federal taxation. But if you use generic automated tax preparation software and fail to check one specific, highly overlooked box, or if your accountant simply rushes through your paperwork and ignores your exact birth date, this massive tax break completely vanishes. The IRS will absolutely not send you a courteous letter correcting your mistake. They will not automatically apply the senior discount for you. They will simply cash your larger check, quietly absorb your hard-earned money, and move on. You are essentially handing the federal government a voluntary tip directly out of your retirement savings. You must meticulously review your Form 1040. You must look directly at the standard deduction section and ensure that the box specifically indicating you or your spouse are 65 or older is explicitly checked. You must force the system to apply the higher deduction amount. But the federal government is not the only entity silently draining your accounts. The exact bank where you deposit your Social Security check is running a quiet operation of its own. Your trusted local bank is supposed to be the secure vault that protects your retirement income. But if you look closely at your monthly bank statements, you will likely spot a silent, recurring drain. Most standard checking accounts come attached with a monthly maintenance fee. It might only be $12, $15, or $20 a month. To a working professional, it barely registers. But over the course of a year, that is hundreds of dollars quietly and systematically extracted from your fixed income. Here is the closely guarded secret the banking industry desperately hopes you never discover. Almost every single major bank in the United States offers a specialized senior checking account explicitly designed for customers 65 and older. These heavily protected accounts completely eliminate all monthly maintenance fees, absolutely regardless of your minimum balance. They often provide free standard paper checks, free cashier's checks, and legally waive out-of-network ATM fees. But the bank will absolutely never automatically upgrade your existing account on your 65th birthday. Their entire corporate business model relies heavily on your complacency. They will happily continue charging you the standard $15 penalty every single month for the next 20 years, fully knowing you legally qualify for the free tier. You must pick up the phone tomorrow morning, call your bank's customer service line, and explicitly demand that your current checking account be immediately converted to a senior, fee-free account. It takes exactly 5 minutes, and it permanently stops the bleeding. But while the bank is quietly stealing hundreds of dollars, your local county government is potentially draining thousands. We now arrive at the absolute most expensive trap of all: your local county tax office. For most American retirees, their home is their most valuable asset. But because of aggressively rising property values, it is also becoming their biggest financial liability. Every single year, your county assessor artificially inflates the value of your home, and your local property taxes violently skyrocket. Thousands of seniors who completely paid off their 30-year mortgages decades ago are now being slowly forced out of their homes simply because they cannot afford the crushing annual tax bill on a fixed income. But your local government is deliberately hiding a massive legal lifeline. In almost every state across the country, there is a highly specialized legal provision known as the Senior Property Tax Exemption, or the Senior Property Tax Freeze. This powerful legal mechanism allows qualifying homeowners who are 65 and older to dramatically reduce their assessed property value or permanently lock in their current tax rate, completely shielding them from all future tax hikes. But here is the catastrophic catch. The county clerk's office will absolutely never automatically apply this exemption to your bill. The local government desperately needs your elevated tax dollars to fund their massive budgets. They have your birth date on file, they know exactly how old you are, yet they will silently continue to send you the absolute maximum inflated tax bill every single year until you die. You must take aggressive action. You must immediately go to your local county assessor's website or physically walk into their office, prove your age, and explicitly demand the senior exemption paperwork. Do not let the local government tax you out of the home you spent your entire life building. Now that we have successfully stopped the financial bleeding at the IRS, the bank, and the county tax office, you are finally going to have surplus cash. But leaving that freshly recovered money sitting dead in a standard checking account is the ultimate rookie mistake. We are now shifting from defense to offense. You have successfully stopped the bleeding, but you must completely eradicate the outdated belief that your standard checking account is a safe place to store your wealth. With inflation constantly degrading your purchasing power, idle cash is effectively losing money every single day. Solution number 1 is the absolute easiest, yet most powerful upgrade you can make: a high-yield savings account at a reputable online bank. Traditional brick-and-mortar banks are paying you practically 0% interest, while aggressively loaning your money out to others to make massive profits. By simply moving your cash to an online FDIC-insured institution, you can immediately start earning around 4% on your completely liquid money. It is virtually risk-free, it is instantly accessible, and it legally forces your money to actually work for you instead of sitting paralyzed in a local branch. But if you want to elevate your strategy and actively shield your new gains from the government, you must move to solution number 2, short-term United States Treasury bills. You bypass the greedy financial middlemen entirely and purchase these directly from the federal government through their official website, Treasury Direct. T-bills are backed by the absolute full faith and credit of the United States government, making them one of the safest financial instruments on the planet. But here is the massive hidden advantage that wealthy retirees aggressively exploit. The interest you earn on a U.S. Treasury bill is legally 100% exempt from all state and local income taxes. If you live in a state with punishing income taxes, this single, simple maneuver instantly increases your actual take-home yield, keeping more of your money exactly where it belongs. If your primary fear is not just keeping your money safe, but aggressively protecting its actual purchasing power from the silent thief of inflation, you must look at solution number 3, Series 1 savings bonds. These are highly specialized government bonds specifically designed to mathematically neutralize inflation. The interest rate on an I bond is directly tied to the official inflation rate. If inflation violently spikes, the interest rate on your bond automatically adjusts upward to match it, guaranteeing that your hard-earned money never loses its real-world value. It is an absolute inflation-proof vault for your capital. But for those who hold a substantial amount of liquid cash and demand total peace of mind, we turn to solution number 4, brokered certificates of deposit. If you have over $250,000, keeping it all in a single standard bank account is incredibly dangerous, because anything above that exact limit is completely uninsured by the FDIC. A brokered CD solves this massive vulnerability instantly. Instead of manually driving around town opening dozens of different bank accounts, a brokered CD allows you to use a single financial brokerage platform to buy high-yield CDs from multiple different banks across the entire country. This brilliant institutional-level strategy effortlessly spreads your cash across various banks, ensuring every single penny stays safely under the $250,000 federal insurance limit while still locking in guaranteed high-interest returns. Finally, for absolute maximum flexibility combined with high institutional yield, we arrive at solution number 5. Money market funds held inside a brokerage account. Unlike a standard checking account that simply holds your cash and pays you nothing, a money market fund pools your money to buy highly secure, extremely short-term government and corporate debt. Because these funds are constantly churning high-quality short-term paper, they pay yields that absolutely crush traditional brick-and-mortar banks, often matching or beating the best online savings accounts. But the massive advantage of a money market fund is supreme liquidity. Because the cash is held directly inside your brokerage account, it is perfectly positioned. You can instantly deploy that money into stocks or bonds if the market drops, or you can seamlessly transfer it back to your checking account for an unexpected medical emergency. There are absolutely no lockup periods, and there are no early withdrawal penalties. It is the ultimate financial staging ground for your liquid wealth. You have now successfully armed yourself with the exact legal knowledge to plug the hidden financial leaks draining your fixed income, and you possess the exact investment vehicles required to safely grow your recovered wealth. We have reached the final and most critical moment of this briefing. The massive financial institutions in this country have built an incredibly profitable system that relies entirely on your silence, your routine, and your lack of specific financial knowledge. They are perfectly happy to let you overpay your federal taxes. They will gladly siphon $15 a month from your checking account, and they will absolutely tax you out of your fully paid-off family home, all while hiding the exact legal exemptions you earned the day you turned 65. The bleeding stops today. You must meticulously review your tax returns. You must pick up the phone and demand a fee-free senior checking account from your bank. And you must physically go to your county tax office to aggressively claim your senior property tax exemption. Once you recover that stolen wealth, do not leave it sitting dead in a zero-interest account. Deploy it immediately into a high-yield savings account, Treasury bills, or a money market fund, and force your capital to finally work for you. If this briefing exposed hidden financial drains you never knew existed and gave you the exact blueprint to protect your retirement, you must hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell right now. Do not let your friends, your aging parents, or your fellow retirees continue to bleed money. Share this exact video with them immediately so they can stop the financial drain today. Take absolute control of your financial legacy. Protect the retirement you spent 40 years sacrificing to build. And I will see you in the next briefing.